Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV or Android TV. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the best browser for Google Smart TV or Android TV, how you can download and install it on your Google TV and start browsing internet right from your Google TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, you have to start from your home page. Okay, so next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you look for your Play Store, because that is where you need to download and install the app on your Google TV. So for that, we want to make sure we navigate to the setting icon right here. So go ahead and hit on setting icon. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you scroll down all the way down until you get to apps right here. Go ahead and click on apps. Then here you go. You have access to apps that you have been installed or opened from your Google TV. So in this regard, you can see Google Play Store right here from recently opened. However, if you cannot find your Google Play Store in recently opened, you want to make sure you proceed to see all apps, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to show system apps. Click on that, and it's going to show you all system apps on your Google TV. And the next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll all the way down until you get to Google Play Store. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. So here we go, Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on OK and hit on Open. And it's going to load up right here. So at this point here, this is where we need to search for the browser I'm talking about and see how we can install and use it to browse internet on our Google TV. So for that, what you want to do is to navigate to search bar from the top right here, and then you want to make sure you come to search app right here, and then just go ahead and type in browser. 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 Then go ahead and hit on search. Hit on search, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to this to the other side right here, and then go ahead and click on browser, just like so. You have this browser right here. Our browser is an internet web browser for Android TV. You can open websites and surf the internet. Our browser is prioritized for TV control or function of the web, as the case may be. What you need to do right here, you can check on the screenshot app of the app right here and see how the interface of the web browser is. They also have incognito in the browser section, numerous individual settings, as the case may be. You can scroll down and check on some of the review about the particular app right here. These are the people that have been using it so far. So it's about 4.5 rating, which is quite okay. Over 80,000 rating, as the case may be. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and we make sure we hit on install right here to install this browser on our Google TV. So after a successful installation, we want to make sure we simply click on open. Here you go, surfing, streaming, downloading the web browser for your TV. Proceed. So at this point here, how did you discover our browser? I had installed it before, found on Google Play Store. You can skip as the case may be. So I'm going to choose found on Google Play Store. Just like so. What is most important to you? Streaming, read news or articles, social media, online shopping, or what have you. So in this regard, I'm going to simply choose on streaming right here. You can choose anything that is describe you. Who use your TV? Just alone, other people. I'm going to go ahead and skip this for now. And then where do you stream music? You can state where you stream music, as the case may be. This will make it easy for them to add some of the favorite tab for you in your browser. So I can decide to choose SoundCloud right here. and I can choose YouTube Music as well, and I can choose other service. So they recommend more music streaming platform on the web. Then hit on continue right here. At this point here, do you want to be able to log the browser with a PIN code? Yes, it is important to me. No, I don't need that. So we can skip and reset that later. How important is a VPN to you when browsing? Very important or not? You can decide to add VPN as the case may be. But in this tutorial, I'm going to skip this for now. Then what will you use as a VPN for? Access content from other country, privacy while browsing, streaming. And I'm going to simply click on continue right here. How good is your internet connection? Fast and reliable, slow and unreliable, skip for now. Then here you go. Now you have a full features browser, the best browser for your TV. It has been fully ready, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next right here to be taken to interface. Add on useful extension for your browser, things like that. You can add different extension as the case may be. Proceed to next, just like so. Smart video player, detect and play videos on website with easy. Just proceed with next. Then protecting your privacy, your data stays safe private while you browse. Proceed to next. Smartphone control, proceed to next. And here you go. At this point here, all features try all features for free right now. So we want to go ahead and skip and move to the final step. So here, just go ahead and close this tab right here. Free version, you are using our app for free with limited features. Free, no subscription required, free permanent. Just go ahead and click on start app. And here you go. You have fully set. All the browser is ready to go. You have Instagram here, you have Play Store from the top right here. You have Instagram, you have Play Store, you have YouTube Short, you have TikTok, you have WhatsApp, you have Tweet, you have Facebook, Google, DuckDuckGo, you have YouTube, you have Read, you have Bing, you have Wikipedia, you have Gmail, you have Pinterest. As far as this particular browser is concerned, it's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Android TV or Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.